I'm demonstrating how to buy shares of Travelzoo and will walk you through the steps. Travelzoo is a travel deals media company listed on NASDAQ as TZOO, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TZOO to find the Travelzoo listing. Select the result that matches the NASDAQ entry to open the stock page. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset. Make sure the listing reads NASDAQ and shows the ticker TZOO before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to learn more.